everyone, I JYOTSNA, Faculty of MBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Study. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic, Future Challenges of Human Resource Management. Because of continuous changing socio-economic, technological and political condition, the human resource manager of the future shall have to face many problems in the management of labor. The human resource management of today might find it very difficult for all the changes that had been happening in the organization and some of the important challenges which may be faced by the manager in the organization. Some of the challenges are discussed below. Number 1, increasing size of workforce. The size of organization is increasing. A large number of multinational organizations has grown over the year. The number of people working in the organization has also increased. The management of increased workforce might create new problems and challenges as the workers are becoming more and more conscious of their right. Number 2, increase in education level. The government of various countries are taking steps to irrigate the illiteracy and increase the education level of their citizens. Educated consumers and workers will create very tough tasks for the future managers. Number 3, technological advances. With the changing coming in the wake of advanced technology, new jobs are created and many old jobs become redundant. There is a great apprehension of employment in the competitive world of today's industry cannot hope to understand what is going in the environment. The problem of unemployment resulting more as it was properly manpower needs and training of reluctant employees in alternative skills. Number 4, change in political environment. There may be a greater environment interference in business to safeguard the interest of workers, consumers and the public at large. Government participation in trade, commerce and industry will also pose many challenges before management. The government may restrict the scope of private sector in relation to public sector. It does not mean that changes of cooperation between the government and the private sectors are related. In fact, there will be more and more joint sector enterprise. Number 5 is change in legal environment. Many changes are taking place in the legal framework within which the industrial relation system in the country are now functioning. It is the duty of the human resource or the personal executive to be aware of all the changes and to bring all the necessary adjustment with the organization so that the greater utilization of human resource can be achieved. This intent and would remain a major challenge for the personal executive. Number 6, management of human relation. On the industrial relation fronts, things are showing much improvement even after so many efforts by the government in the direction. Though a large number of factors are responsible for IR, but a very significant came in the growth of multinationals in affiliations. Under the present conditions, it appears that their inter-union rivalry which may grow over the organization by time to time. New roles of human resource management and human resource management in the new millennium has undergone a greater challenges by questioning the acceptance of all the practices and reinvesting the organization in the environment. Number 5, increasing aspirations of employee. Considerable changes have been noted in the workers of today as compared to the counterpart of 1950. The workers are becoming more aware of their higher level needs and this awareness was identified further in the future workers. Number 6, changing psychological system. In future, organization will be required to make use of the advanced technology in accomplishing their goals while satisfying the human needs. In the traditional bureaucratic model, the organization were designed to achieve the technical function as with a little considerable given to the psychological system. But future management would be required to ensure the effective participation of lower level in the management of the organization system. The next main topic is the new role of human resource management on the basis of strategic human resource management. The new role of human resource management is much more strategic than before. Some of the new directions of the roles of human resource management can be summed up, for example, number 1 as a facilitator, number 2 as a change, that means to carry people through one place to another requires the true management of human resource. Number 3, an integrated approach to management rather than being an isolated function Human resource is required as a core activity, one which shapes a company values. In particular, this can have an impact on consumer services. Last is a mediator, establishing and balancing the new and emerging aspirations and requirement of the company and the individual. So I hope you understand the lecture, what is the future requirements of human resource management. Thank you.